Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, Pravalika. Can you hear me all? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes. We were discussing question paper, right? Yes or no? Yes, we were discussing question paper. Just let's continue with the same. Why I chose again to discuss the question paper? The reason behind that is that we had very good questions from them, isn't it? We had very good questions uh, in your last exam paper. So let us not miss out that. So let's solve all those questions so that आपको like you get somewhat idea. You get an idea of JEE questions. All right, just a minute. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In last class, how many questions we have solved? Let me share the screen to you all. I think till 7th one, right? 7th one we have done. So 8th one, how many have you done? 8th one. Let's see how many questions we solved. 7th one, 8th one also we have done. So let's go for the 9th one. I think. Look at the 9th one. How many have you done with this? How many have you solved in exam?
sir, I didn't solve.
So look at this here. अरे एक मिनट ये क्या होगा 1 second children just a minute. Yes, look at this now. Ah, basically what he has given, limit extending towards pi by 4, limit extends to pi by 4, 1 minus tan x divided by 1 minus root 2 sin x. So how can I solve this question? Because first and foremost step is what? Substitute the value of x over there. So first substitute that. So limit extends to pi by 4, right? 1 minus tan pi by 4 divided by 1 minus root 2 into sin pi by 4. Okay, so 1 minus tan pi by 4 how much? 1 minus 1 minus root 2 sin pi by 4 how much? 1 by root 2. ठीक है, तो देखो अभी root 2 will be getting cancelled. What do you remain with now? 1 minus 1 0 and 1 minus 1 0. Again I got indeterminate form here. Yes or no? Any doubts? Any doubts here? So but if you get 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite, so by LH rule, by using LH rule. What is LH rule now? Limit extends to pi by 4 d by dx of the numerator. What is the numerator here? 1 minus tan x. Just a minute. Yes, so d by dx of 1 minus tan x divided by d by dx of, what is the denominator? 1 minus root 2 sin x. 1 minus root 2 sin x. So look at this, same limit x tending towards pi by 4. Am I audible to you, everyone? Is my voice is clear with everyone? Hello?
Sir, your voice is breaking a bit.
My voice is breaking a bit. Is it happening with everyone or with only Anjali?
No, sir, it's breaking. It's breaking, sir.
It's breaking. Wait a minute. So, just a minute. Just a minute, please be in line. Yes, am I audible to everyone now? Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So d by dx of 1 minus tan x. So d by dx of 1 is what here? 0. So d by dx of 1 is 0 here. D by dx of tan x is what? D by dx of tan x is what? Tell me. Here have minus as it is I'm writing. D by dx of tan x is what? Secant square x multiple times I told. D by dx of 1 is what here? 0 again. So minus as it is. Root 2 as it is I'm writing. So d by dx of sin x is what? Cos x. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts here? Hello? So can I cancel minus and minus here? Can I cancel minus? Minus will be getting cancelled here. So secant square x, and you substitute the value of x here. Secant square pi by 4 divided by root 2 into cos pi by 4. Clear? Hello? Hello? Are you here? Guys, are you here?
Yes, sir, we're here only.
Yes. Look at this here. Secant square pi by 4. How much? Secant pi by 4 is what? Root 2. So root 2 whole square divided by root 2. Cos pi by 4 how much? 1 by root 2. तो देखो इधर कैंसिल कीजिए इसको. Cancel these 2 now. So what you get here? 2 by 1. What is your answer? 2. Understood? Is there any difficulties to solve this question? Tell me. 2 is the answer. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Any doubts? Hello, any doubts?
No, sir.
Very simple question. Yes, after substitution of x value directly in a given question, I got 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0, whenever I get 0 by 0 and infinite by infinite, I straight away go for LH rule. LH rule is nothing but what? L'Hopital rule. L'Hopital rule is nothing but what? Differentiation of the numerator divided by differentiation of the denominator. Okay? Okay? Clear? So d by dx of the numerator is this. I got d by dx of denominator. I got this one. So minus when I cancelled, I substituted the value of x. So what is my answer? Root 2 is my answer here. Okay. The next question. 10th one. Look at this here. Solve this, everyone. How many have you done this question? 1 minus cos x by x. So pehla, I have two beautiful methods for this. What is that? This is a JEE question, previous year question, I think so. Yes. So limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x. First, what you must do here? First, substitute the value of x directly. So 1 minus cos 0 divided by 0. 1 minus cos 0 is 1 divided by 0. So 0 by 0 again, indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. So what I have to do? By LH rule. By LH rule. So d by dx of 1 minus cos x divided by d by dx of x, limit x tending towards 0. So d by dx of 1 minus cos x is what? Minus as d by dx of 1 is 0, minus as it is d by dx of cos x is what? Minus sin x, divided by d by dx of x is 1. So limit extends to 0. I have here limit extends to what? 0. So substitute now. What you have here? Limit x tending towards 0 means minus it minus plus. So sin x by 1. So sin 0 or 0. 0 is the answer. Option B is correct here. Option B is correct. Look at this. How simple it is. Option B is correct. Okay, understood? Any doubts? Hello, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
We'll move forward now for the next one. All similar type of question. I just gave similar type of question, which means you need to habituate for that. You have to habituate for solving multiple questions, so that this type of question, whenever they ask you, you have to be so ready and supremely confident in that. All right, chalo, go. Let's go for this. Limit extends to 0, x into log 1 plus x divided by 1 minus cos x. Okay, so how can we solve? First and foremost step is what? Substitute the value of x. 0 into log 1 plus 0 divided by 1 minus cos 0. So 0 into log 1, 0, 0, 1 minus cos 0, 1 minus 1, 0, again indeterminate form. So, so by again LH rule. LH rule is nothing but what? D by dx of numerator, d by dx of the numerator. D by dx of the numerator is what here? D by dx of numerator is what? X into log of 1 plus x divided by d by dx of 1 minus cos x. So d by dx of x into log 1 plus x. So this is UV rule, isn't it? UV rule. D by dx of u, d by dx of u is what? 1 into v as it is, plus d by dx of v log x, 1 by x. What is x here? This one, inner function d by dx of x into u as it is. All right. So divided by d by dx of cos x is what? D by dx of 1 minus cos x. D by dx of 1 is 0. D by dx of minus cos x plus sin x. All right. Any doubts here, guys? You understand how I wrote this step? D by dx of u is 1, v as it is. D by dx of v, u as it is. D by dx of v is what here? Look at this here. D by dx of log 1 plus x. Okay, so this is a class 11 concept which is going to be helpful for your class 12. Very, very important. Whatever the concept you are learning now, this all stuff, very, very important for your class 12 as well. Clear? So d by dx of log x is what? Basically 1 by x. X is what here? 1 plus x. This is x. So into d by dx of who? D by dx of what function? D by dx of 1 plus x. Why? Because that is the inner function here. So 1 by 1 plus x into d by dx of 1 plus x is 1 only. So d by dx of x plus 1 or 1 plus x, 1 only, right? D by dx of constant, however, 0, d by dx of x is 1. So that's how I got 1 into 1 plus x is what? 1 into 1 plus x. 1 into 1 by 1 plus x. So what you remain now? Log of 1 plus x plus 1 by 1 plus x into x divided by sin x. ठीक है, तो what we just forgot something here. What is that? That is writing limits. Writing what? Limits. X tends to 0. Now you just substitute here, what you get? Log of 1 plus 0 plus 1 by 1 plus 0 into 0 divided by what you got? Sine 0. Sine 0. So log 1 0 plus 0 by 0. Again you got indeterminate form. Again you got indeterminate form. So what I must do now? Tell me what I have to do. What I have to do? Hello? Tell me what I have to do. You must respond. I got 0 by 0 again. So what I have to do here? Are you guys here? Hello? Are you here? Hello? 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 Can you hear me? Disconnected or what? Yes, I got 0 by 0. Again, I have to apply L'Hospital rule. Again, apply LH rule. Again, I got 0 by 0. Again, apply L'Hospital rule. For whom? For what function? For this function. All right. So let us go for that. First, apply limit extends to 0 as it is d by dx of log of 1 plus x plus d by dx of x by 1 plus x by 1 plus x divided by sin x. So look at this now. If I solve in this way, it is becoming so big. All right. So eventually, you just keep going that you will get the answer. But the thing is, very big question to solve. Right. If I approach in this way. So what is my next alternate approach here? What is my alternate approach? Look at this here. I'll give one more approach instead of doing this. Limit x tending towards 0. Here I have x into log of 1 plus x divided by, let us multiply and let us divide in the numerator and denominator with x or x square. Let us multiply and divide with x square. So let us divide in the numerator and denominator with x square, not multiply and divide. Let us divide with x square in the numerator and denominator. Okay. So yes. Look at this here. Now here x will be getting cancelled. What do you remain with now? Limit x tending towards 0 log of 1 plus x divided by x divided by 1 minus cos x divided by x square. So this is what I got here. Look at this. So let us write all this down. So you just continue here. Continue or method 2. I'm teaching method 2. Simple guys. You just continue that. How do we need to continue? Look at this here. I'll give you a hint here. Divide x of log x, 1 by x, 1 by 1 plus x into divide x of again x inner function. Divide x of x by 1 by x. Divide x of u by v, like exponent rule, exponent function, exponent rule you have to apply here. Quotient rule. So not exponent rule, quotient rule you have to apply. So divide x of sin x is cos x. So just go that and just substitute the values, you get something. Clear? Or else continue that, you will get the answer. Now method 2 will solve. Method 2, how can you solve the method 2? Look at the method 2. what I have done here, I got 0 by 0 I got, right? So indeterminate form, this is indeterminate form. So divide by x square in the numerator and denominator. Limit extends to 0, x into log of 1 plus x divided by x square divided by 1 minus cos x divided by x square. ठीक है, so ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయొచ్చు ఇక్కడ నేను, so limit x tending towards 0, here I can cancel x x, so what will you make now, log of 1 plus x divided by x whole divided by limit x tending towards 0, 1 minus cos x is what, limit x 1 minus cos x formula is what, 2 sine square x by 2, I told you, by x by 2, so by x square. All right, I told you multiple times these two formulas are very important, which are 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x by 2, 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. So this is what the formulas. Now look at this, d by dx of so now look at this here. How can you solve this? I know one formula. What is that? From the logarithmic limits. From the logarithmic limit, what formula we know? Limit x tending towards 0 log 1 plus x divided by x gives me 1. I know one more formula. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. I know that. Now look at the numerator and denominator. Numerator is exactly looking like that. Numerator is exactly looking like my logarithmic limit formula. So the entire numerator becomes what, 1 divided by limit x tending towards 0 2 sine square x by 2. See what I told here, here, everywhere it must be the same, right? I have x by 2 in the denominator, I have x square. So how can I make that? Look at this. Can I write something like this? Limit x tending towards 0, so 2 sine x by 2 into sine x by 2. Okay, so x by 2 into sine x by 2 into sine x by 2. Okay, so now x square can be written as x into x. Yes or no? You understand here? You understand that if you understand the denominator, guys, you understood or not? Tell me. Hello. This I'm writing here, whether you understood or not. This 2 I'm just pulling front, this 2 I'm writing front here, this 2 I'm writing front. Constant, right? Constant you can bring forward. Yes or no? Children, you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, understood.
You must respond. Without responding, I never understand. As I told you that everyone should respond. At least say yes or no. Nothing will happen, right? If you respond. Huh. Look at this here. I have x by 2 here. I have x by 2 here. But in the denominator, I have x. So what I have to do? I just multiply and divide with the 2 in the denominator. Can I do? Can I do or not? Can I do? Yes. So look at this 1 by 2. Now look at this. This part becomes 1. This part becomes 1. Sir, what you told here? Here x by 2, here x by 2, here x by 2, here x by 2. But limit, you just divide by 2 on both sides. X by 2, 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0 only. So everything becomes 1 now. So be careful here. In the denominator, what you have? 1 by 2 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1 into 1 by 2. All right. These all are in the denominator. Look at this here. So 1 by 2 I'm writing here. Be careful while writing that. So cancel. What are the possibilities of cancel? This is the cancellation. Clear? So what you remain with now? 1 by 2, which gives me 2. Understood? Any doubts? Any doubts? Hello? Children, whether you are understanding or not.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Very, very good question. Fantastic question. So see here, first what we have done, we have just gone through LH rule. If you go through LH rule, I'm getting 2 times 0 by 0 forms. 2 times 0 by 0 form. Rather than doing that, I would better I would go by dividing x square in the numerator and denominator. If I divide with x square in the numerator and denominator, so I would be getting exact forms of my formulas. Trigonometry limits, standard limit formulas, I'm getting exactly. So yes, you have to do little modifications in between calculation. Yes, that and all you can do it easily. So depends on the question. You just understand how the question is demanding to you all. So what exactly you require, what exactly you need to multiply it, what exactly you need to divide it. These are the small things you must aware of. You must aware of all this stuff. Clear? You must have you must aware of all this stuff. When you are aware of all this basic calculation stuff, then your calculation becomes very easy. You can calculate in mind. So need not to know for understanding purpose, for your explanation, for I'm explaining you right. For your understanding purpose, I'm just writing each and every step in a clean cut way. And I'm writing formulas as well, where we are, what formula where we are using. Clear? In what step, in which step, which formula we are using. Everywhere. Yeah, I'm just writing respective formulas as well. Next. So it is a kind of worksheet, I would say. We are solving a kind of worksheet questions. Very good question. Fantastic questions. Okay. So solve this one now. Let's see 12th one. Will you be able to solve 12th one? Make it fast now. Let's see how many have you done. How many have to do this? I need an answer within a minute. Within a minute, please. Within 40 seconds, I need an answer. Come on. Your time starts now. These all questions are related to your JE stuff. So you must focus on these questions with the 1 second, with your attention, please. 1 second. It is not working. Just a minute. Yeah, please focus on these questions. Very important questions. 30 seconds of time. Lost 30 seconds. Make it fast. Substitute value of x. Then apply L'Hopital rule if it get a 0 by 0. Then proceed. Yes, done. Time up. Time up. Now Pravalika will tell me how we need to solve this question. Pravalika, Chappu.
Sir, first indeterminate form, then
Indeterminate form, how do you get that?
Sir,
After substitution of x values.
after
Right?
substitution of x value, 0 in the x value, x place, and L'Hopital rule,
L'Hopital
limit
rule.
extends to 0, d by dx of sin x minus d by dx of x by d by dx of x cube is equal to cos x
d by dx of sin x is what?
cos x
D by dx of x is what?
1
D by dx of x cube is what?
3x square.
Very good. So d by dx of sin x is cos x minus 1 divided by 3x square you get.
3x square.
So how do you look at this now? Substitute again you get 0 by 0 form.
Yes, sir, indeterminate form.
Again indeterminate form you get. So instead of doing this, I told you just now, I told you one formula. మళ్ళీ చేసేదానికంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్పినా ఫార్ములా. Because is 1 minus cos x formula I told you. What is that? Is 2 sin square x by 2. Can we apply that formula now here?
Yes, sir.
అది 1 minus cos x kada. That is 1 minus cos x, right? It is cos x minus 1.
Okay.
Arey bhai, look at this. Take minus common here beta. Take minus common, it becomes 1 minus cos x. Common sense. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like you apply, let's apply the basic concept, because here have minus, right? Let me bring minus front. So 1 by 3 I'm bringing forward. So what I remain with now, limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos x. So 1 place of 1 minus cos x, what I write now, 2 sine square x by 2. In the denominator also I have x square. So 1 minus 3 minus 1 by 3, and the limit extends to 0, right? I have 2 here, so let me bring these 2 forward. So what do you remain with now? Minus 2 by 3. Okay, so limit x tending towards 0, sine square x by 2 can be written as sine x by 2 into sine x by 2 divided by x square can be written as x into x. Aya samajh? Guys, are you able to understand?
Yes,
మీరు
sir.
రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వాలి క్లాస్లో. ఇప్పుడు మీరు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వకపోతే ఏమవుతుందో తెలుసా? నాకు అర్థం కాదు, మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? ఓకే, లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ మైనస్ 2 by 3. నౌ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ హియర్. ఇందాక ఏం చెప్పా, ఇక్కడ x by 2 ఉండాలి, ఇక్కడ x by 2 ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ కూడా x by 2 ఉండాలి. దానికోసం ఏం చేయాలి? I need to multiply and divide with the 2. Here also x by 2 I have. What I have to do? Multiply, divide with the 2. Basic. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? చూడు, రైట్? సో హియర్ ఆల్సో ఐ మస్ట్ నీడ్ x by 2, so divide with 2 on both sides. X by 2 tending towards 0, 0 by 2 is 0 only, let it be 0. Okay, so minus 2 by 3 as it is. Now be careful, look at it. This part becomes 1, this part becomes 1, this green color regions becomes what? 1. So what I must do now, look at this, let me just minus 2 by 3 into 1 into 1 by 2 I left with 1 into 1 by 2 I left with. Now again look at this here. So yes, 2 I can cancel here. So just what I got now, minus 1 by 6 is answer. Yes or no? Yes or no? Minus 1 by 6, yes or no? 3 to 6. Yes or no, children? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 by 6. Do we have an option? Yes, we have that option. Option B is correct here. You understand? Are you getting
Sir.
a confidence how we are able to solve this question? Yes, Pravalika. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Very good. See, the reason behind taking all similar type of question, these all are not similar type of question. Concept is somewhat similar, but whenever you are involving in between the concept, we are using different formulas, we are using different tricks. The first is what, whenever you get indeterminate form, go for L'Hopital rule. Look at it, L'Hopital rule. It sometimes eventually the questions, look at this. Eventually you are able to you people are able to understand that. You people are getting to know that what's happening. It is not a necessary that by if you are applying L'Hopital rule straight away you get the answer. Sometimes look at this here. I apply L'Hopital rule, again I'm getting 0 by 0 form. In that case, what I must do? Yes, again you can apply L'Hopital rule to that particular function, and also you can find out some other alternate method as well. You can find out an alternate method from the stage where you get in 0 by 0 again. From that particular stage, you apply again L'Hopital rule, like we discussed in the earlier question. Look at this. Again, I got 0 by 0 here, so I applied again L'Hopital rule. So I would have got answer, but it was somewhat lengthy procedure. So rather than doing that, I simply, what I have done here, I just divided x square in the numerator and denominator, so that I got answer quickly. Similarly, we just done same thing over here. So just first by I applied L'Hopital rule, I got this step. From this I just wrote this form. I took minus common. If I take minus common, 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2. In the denominator I have x square. I just brought 1 and 3 somewhat front. Why? Because these two are what? These two are what? Constants. Constant should always be outside. Limit of constant is always constant only. Okay, that is the reason. We'll move forward now. Next, 13th question. 13th question, let's see how many have to do. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 13th one. Make it fast. Guys, we should know here. Look at this. చాలా చాలా సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇది. దీనికంటే సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏది లేదు. మనకు ఫార్ములాస్ తెలుసు. ఇక్కడ ఏమి sin 2x ఇచ్చా. sin 2x ఫార్ములా వాట్ డు వి నో దట్? sin 2x ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ 2 sin x cos x. ఇంకో ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? 2 cos square x minus
2 cos square x.
ఇంకో ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? 2 sin square x. ఇంకో ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, atla. So look at this here. We need not to go for all these two formulas here now. We రెండు అవసరం లేదు మనకు. We need not to go for these two formula. Why? Because if I just take this formula here, yes, of course, in fact, all these formulas are sin 2x formulas only, but I choose only this formula. Why? Because I have 2 sin x here. ఎందుకంటే 2 sin x తీసుకుంటే 2 sin x కామన్ తీయొచ్చు కదా. Yes or no? Limit x tending towards 0. I have 2 sin x minus x. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x into cos x divided by x cube. Okay. So now can I take sin 2x common? So 2 sin x common. 2 sin x common. So 1 minus cos x divided by x cube. Again, very good question. Look at here. 2 constant here. 2 constant. నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాను చూడండి. వెరీ వెరీ గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్. లుక్ at లిమిట్ ఎక్స్టెండింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ 0. sin x మిగిలింది ఇక్కడ. I just left with sin x into 1 minus cos x is nothing but again 2 sin square x by 2 divided by x cube. నాకు ఫార్ములాస్ తెలుసు. ఏ ఫార్ములా తెలుసు నాకు? వాట్ ఫార్ములా ఐ నో? ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ లిమిట్. ఇందాకే చెప్పాను కదా. రైట్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద థింగ్ ఐ కెన్ యూజ్ హియర్. హౌ? ఎట్లా సార్? చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఈ 2 ఉందా? ఈ 2 ముందుకు రాసేసా. 2 2 4 అగైన్ 4. సో లిమిట్ x టెండింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ 0 sin x. ఈ x క్యూబ్ లో ఒక x దీని కింద రాస్తా. మిగతా ఏం చేస్తా నేను? దాని కింద రాస్తా. sin square x by 2 డివైడెడ్ బై ఇక్కడ x స్క్వేర్ రాస్తా. సరిపోయిందా? యు అండర్స్టూడ్ ఆర్ నాట్? హలో చిల్డ్రన్, ఆర్ యు పీపుల్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆర్ నాట్? నౌ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ హియర్? టెల్ మీ. ఇట్లానే ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నా నేను? చూడండి ఇక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి 4 లిమిట్ x టెండింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ 0 sin x డివైడెడ్ బై x ఇంటూ ఇక్కడ sin x by 2 by x ఇంటూ అగైన్ sin x by 2 by x. ఇట్లా డివైడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇట్లా డివైడ్ చేసుకుంటే నాకు ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది అనమాట. చూడండి ఇక్కడ x by 2 ఉంది కదా. I have x by 2 here. So here I have x ఉంది. So just multiply and divide with x. Multiply divide with 2, not with x. Sorry. Okay. Understand? Are you people able to understand? Guys, can you hear my voice clearly? Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
So 4 into this becomes 1. This becomes 1. This becomes 1. Okay. So write all this together now. 4 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. ఎంత 1 అయిపోయింది కదా. ఇది 1. Okay. So what you got? Like, so 2 2s are 4. 1 is the answer. Any doubts? Look at the question now. Whether we have one option is yes, option B is correct. Okay. Clear? Clear? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Now we'll go forward now. Next 14th question. Yes. Yes, solve this question, guys. Can you hear my voice? ఎవరో వెళ్ళిపోయారు మీటింగ్ నుంచి. అంజలి has left. Solve this question. फटाफट solve कीजिए इसको. Same similar question. Let me give a hint here. ఎట్లా solve చేయాలి చూడండి. Guys, you must solve this question. Limit x tending towards 0. Same type of question. Limit x tending towards 0. X into 2 power of x into x divided by 1 minus cos x. तो మనం ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ? ఇది ఇండిటర్మినేట్ ఫార్మ్ చూడండి ఫస్ట్. 0 into 0, yes, 0 by 0 indeterminate form. Yes or no? Yes, this is indeterminate form. So what I do here now? X, let me take x common. Why? Because I have x. If I take x common, what I remain with now? X. Can I just getting to know one thing here? నేను ఇట్లా చేస్తే నాకు ఫార్ములా తెలుసు. ఏ ఫార్ములా? లిమిట్ x tends to 0, a power of x minus 1 by x ఉంటే log a రాసేవాడిని నేను. అవునా? log a base e రాసేవాడిని ఫార్ములా. అవునా కదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో చిల్డ్రన్?
Yes, sir.
So look at this now. So నాకు in terms of for getting this stuff, I have a power of 2 power of x minus 1 by x I need, but I have multiply. So shall I divide and multiply with x here now? ఇక్కడ dividing with x in the numerator and denominator చేయొచ్చా లేదా? చేయొచ్చా లేదా? Yes or no? Can I do like this? Hello? Limit x tending towards 0. Here x into 2 to the power of x minus 1 by x I am writing here, divided by 1 minus cos x by x. Yes or no? Tell me, can
Yes,
I just
sir.
distribute like this? Now you just have a look at this. Orange. Yes, correct. Only that is correct. Only. Now, what could be our next step? Limit x tending towards 0. This part, let me write this as 2 power of x minus 1 by x into ex ni ilage rasi. It will get reciprocal here. So you will get x by ila. Cheyocha? Yes or no? Clear? Yes or no? Hello? It will get reciprocal. So x, this denominator x will go to the numerator. So what I remain with now here? So limit x tending towards 0. So this part can be written as how? Log a. A is what here? 2. So base e. Even you write e, even you do not write e, it doesn't make a sense. It does not make a sense. Why? Because e is a hidden part there. You understand? E is a hidden part. Okay. So what is the difference between these two? As I told, beautiful example. What is the difference between the 2 and plus 2? Both are same, right? Yes or no? Basic, like common sense. Use this example. Look at 2. What is the difference between a 2 and plus 2? Both are same, right? If I'm not writing plus in front of 2, it does not mean that it is a negative 2. It is a plus 2 only. Plus is hidden over there. Okay, like that. Here log 2 base e. Okay, so here x square divided by 1 minus cos x formula again ఏంటిది 2 sin square x by 2. అవునా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ log 2 base e అనేది కాన్స్టెంట్, దీని ముందుకు తెచ్చేయండి. సో లిమిట్ x tending towards x square by 2 sin x by 2. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ 2 ఉంది కదా, 2 ని కూడా ఫ్రంట్ రాసేస్తా ఇక్కడ by 2. ఆ 2 ని ఫ్రంట్ రాసేస్తా. ఏ విధంగా అంటే చూడండి ఇక్కడ 1/2 ఇక్కడ sin square x by 2 కదా, ఇది x స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కదా, ఒక x ఇక్కడ రాస్తా, ఒక x ఇక్కడ రాస్తా, ఒక sin by x by 2 ఇక్కడ రాస్తా. రాయొచ్చా ఎట్లా? రాయొచ్చా లేదా? Is that correct? Now look at this here. Look at this entire expression. If you simplify this entire expression again, you will get this expression. Yes or no? Are you people able to understand? అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పండి, చెప్పాలి నాకు. Hello, is there any doubt in this step? Do you want me to explain this step again? Hello. Yes, tell me. Disha, are you able to understand? Disha? Disha? Disha, are you here? Can you hear my voice? Yes. Okay. What about Pravalika and Abhinaya? Hello. Very good.
No
Disha.
doubt.
Then why you are not responding? Respond, right? Please everyone. Ha. Look at this here. 1/2 I have as it is, log 2 as it is, base e as it is, I'm writing. Now here for making this as, look, I know this formula. What formula I know that? How can I make that? ఇక్కడ denominator లో shall I divide and shall I multiply and divide with x by 2? Here also multiply and divide with x by 2 ताकि हमको ये मिल जाए स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. इसको एक बना दूंगा मैंने. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no, children? You must respond in the class. Yes. Now into limit x tending towards 0, x into x what? X square divided by, now x by 2 into 1 into 1 into x by 2. ठीक है? Now how can I write here? 1/2 into log 2 into here x गया, सब cancel. Yes or no? Everything will in the denominator x into x square, and numerator I'm getting cancelled. So what I write here? So 1/2. So 2 to the 4. Reciprocal, it will get 4. ठीक है? Are you people understood? So 2 1s, 2 2s. What is the answer now? 2 log 2 base e. This is the answer. Do we have an option here? 2 log 2. Yes, we have option C is correct. 2 log 2 is nothing but 2 log 2 base e. E is a hidden part here. Even you do, if you don't have e either, అరే నాకు వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ ఇక్కడ లేదు, సో నేను చేసినంత తప్పు అని అనుకోదు. Clear? Understood or not? Even you don't have base e, there is a hidden part. You must choose option C is correct. Clear? Shall we move forward? Hello. Yes, we'll go for the next one. Next question. Fifteenth one. You change tondara. First, what you have to do here? Substitute x value. Substitute the value of x. So cos 0 what? 1. 1 second. Array yaar, it's not. Cos 0 what? 1 minus sin 0 how much? 0 divided by 0 minus pi by 4. నాకేంటి డిఫరెంట్గా వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్ అనుకుంటున్నారా? చూడండి ఇక్కడ cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x I'm not getting that. Look at straight away I'm getting limit x tending towards 0. So cos 0 1 minus 0 by minus pi by 4. So 4 by pi, 4 by pi. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్స్ లేవు, ఏం చేయాలి చూడండి, ఆప్షన్స్ లేవు. అది క్వశ్చన్ జీరో బై జీరో అసలు కాదు ఆ క్వశ్చన్ లో. But what he has, look at our solution here. What solution he has given? Option D given. How many of you solve? Very good question. How many of you solve this question, guys? Did you solve? Hello? Did you solve, Disha ji? Disha, did you solve or not? Hello? Are you here? Abhinaya, did you solve?
Yes, sir.
How did you solve this? I'm getting minus 4 by 5. But options are not available. Dekho. Then it should have been, isko, take minute. Look at this here. For getting 4 by 5 is not available. So option, the question wrong hai. So in this question is wrong. Look at here, instead of 0 can I write pi by 4? Instead of 0 it should be pi by 4. Now it will come. So pi by 4 I have, right? So cos pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4 divided by pi by 4 minus pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 0 0 by 0. All right. So what I have to do? By LH rule. By LH rule. Again same thing. By LH rule. So limit x tending towards pi by 4. So d by x of cos x is minus sin x. Minus d by x of cos sin x is what? Cos x divided by 1 minus 0. D by x of pi by 4 what? D by x of pi by 4 is 0. Why? Because pi by 4 is a constant. So substitute pi by 4 here minus sin pi by 4. Guys, that there was not 0. That is not 0 actually. If you put 0, I'm not getting an option. If you pi by 4, let's see whether we get an option or not. Minus, so 1. So minus sin pi by 4 gives me minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 also. So minus 2 times of root 2. 2 by root 2 answer. 2 by root 2. Yes, option D is correct. 2 by root 2, option D available. Option D is correct. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts? Next question. Guys, look at this here. I'll be posting all this question here. Please do solve the remaining questions and bring it to the next class. I should see everyone solving all the questions. See, I request everyone, please go through your mistakes. If anyone still didn't go through your mistakes, please make sure that you are solving each and every question of your question paper. So very good questions I have given in this last test. Yes, in fact there was 2 errors in giving limits, but solve all those questions. It helps in building your concept, and it gives you boost, gives you confidence. ठीक है, चलो. Last question of this thing is what is this? One of the easiest chapter of your GE, limits and continuity, limits and differentiability. All right, you must solve all this. Look at this here. How can I solve the 17, 16 to 1? Let me give a hint. I'll give a hint. All we have solved different type of questions. Yes, I don't think so. You won't be able to find all this stuff. I don't think so. You guys won't be able to find it. Everything is same. Look at this here. Limit x tends 0 sin x minus x by x to the power of 4. So sin 0, 0, 0 by 0. L'Hopital rule apply by LH rule. And here also same thing. 0 minus 0 by 0. L'Hopital rule. Look at this here. 1 plus cos a. So cos pi how much? Cos pi, cos 180 degrees. Cos 180 degrees gives me minus 1. Let's see. 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Cos negative. Cos 90 how much? Cos 90 0. So sin 90. Cos becomes 9. Cos 90 plus theta sin 90. So minus 1. Minus 1 answer. So minus 1 you get here. So 1 minus 1. So minus 1. Cos cube he has given. So minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube is what? Minus 1 only. Divided by pi minus pi. 0 by 0 again. You get indeterminate form again. Indeterminate form. If you get indeterminate form, what you have to do? Straight away first approach is what? Towards L'Hopital rule. Towards what? L'Hopital rule. You get 0 by 0. Next 19th one also similar one. Yes. So 0 minus 0. Yes, again 0 by 0. LH rule. Yes, I have taught you L'Hopital rule, right? So I thought I wanted to give the L'Hopital rule questions, all questions of L'Hopital rule. So I just gave these questions. So yes, it might have helped. This lecture might have helped you. This question paper might have helped you to understand what exactly L'Hopital rule is all about. Look at this. Now here also tan 0 0 minus 0. Yes, 0 by 0 again. Everything is same. You must solve all these questions. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Hello? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes, very good. Please do solve all these questions. These questions are homework to you all. And then let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. You can leave now.